me is the sweetest thing, and it don't change.
Hey y'all, so today is Friday. Just had to touch some, huh? Today is Friday, and I am currently taking down my hair. You don't know how many braids you got until you take this stuff down. I got so many braids in here, y'all. And my hair is so thick. But anyway, say hey, Kitty Pooh. Hey, Cashy. So they watching Mickey Mouse. I got the speaker over there playing in the corner. We just kind of vibing tonight, y'all. We just the only people here. In a minute, I'm finna take them a bill. Y'all finna take a bill? You gonna take a bill? He gotta get a haircut tomorrow. She's getting her hair combed tomorrow. Say, hey, dude. They just kind of playing with each other, keeping themselves company. We already ate. We had some fish and shrimp. My boyfriend bought us a plate. Stop. He bought us a plate, so I took a break from taking out my hair, ate my food, fed them, and now it's 7:30, and I'm about to do our nighttime routine, which is melatonin first and foremost, a good hot bath, and we're just gonna snuggle on the couch and watch TV till they fall asleep. That's how it goes. So when the other kids not here, some nights they do fall asleep in the bed with me, but other nights they fall asleep with the other kids because I don't even know why the crib's still in my room. They non-existent at this point. They don't even sleep in them no more. But yeah, I'm gonna take them a bath in just a minute. I'm gonna try to take down all of my hair, y'all, but I'm so tired of taking this hair down. I ain't got too many more, but I'm just tired of doing it. So hopefully I can go ahead and finish. By the time I finish, I can go ahead and take them a good bath and try to get them to bed. Wind down time. this is the finished product. I did not want to do my hair today. I'm not gonna lie, I did not want to do it at all. So I just went ahead and did something so quick. It's not even finished. It's not even finished. I ran out of hair, and I got this hair from my cousin, and it wasn't enough. But it's gonna be okay until like next week. This style is just gonna last like maybe a week and a half before my boyfriend's birthday. I'm taking him out to eat, and I want to do something else to my hair. So this is just a do for right now. Thankful for this, for the edges. Save the edges. This stuff does really good. I like it a lot, and I don't have to put it on every single day. So it does really, really good though, and it don't flake. It don't have it shiny looking, you know, like it's sliding off and stuff like that. It looks really good. So this is just the style I'm gonna wear. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to go because I'm going by my sister's house. I'm dropping off her carpet cleaner, dropping the carpet cleaner back off, and then I was gonna go try to go to Sam's. So that's what I'm gonna try to do real quick. I'm gonna go ahead and get myself ready. Then I'm gonna get the twins ready, and we gonna go. Cash got his haircut this morning. He looks so handsome. My son looks so handsome. And Kennedy, I'm probably just gonna put her hair up in a bun and then put a bow on it because I don't really have time to comb it today. It's not bad looking anyway, but I don't have time to comb it today because I took too much time out trying to go to the barbershop and then trying to do my hair. So I really don't have that much time left. Y'all know Sam's gonna stay open all night, and then we still gotta get down there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get myself ready, and then I'll be back later on.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. I'm the storm in your dream, making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, better than bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind. No distance, I come by my side. Everything is green over here. Everything you want and think about. Now I got your back all the way. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back home today, and Ava has cleaned up the house. So proud of her. Y'all know they out for the summer, so she's been home. She's cleaned up the house. I'm getting ready to make some shrimp fried rice, and this is the rice that I'm using. I cheat a little bit, but not much. She done pulled my thing off of this thing too. I just noticed it because it's way clean. But I'm just melting down my butter. I'm finna get ready to cook my eggs in my new pots that I still love.
Mommy, can I have some juice in my cup?
Alright, hold on. Alright, so we doing the chicken. I'm finna get ready to season this. And y'all, I buy the same types of chicken every time. These are just the drum mix, pig out pack. And I try to get the small one. They always be like this size. Majority of the time, one time I did them, they was big. I was so upset. But rest of the time, they be kind of small. I got some sweet and sour sauce. These are just some sauces that I just decided to get because I be wanting some sauces, some different sauces sometimes. I got duck sauce for the shrimp fried rice today. I got some yum yum sauce, and I got some spicy garlic sauce to go on my wings.
Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and big family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah, yeah. Luckily we're free to be